Over the past few years, I've taken my 2-hour masterclass on menopause to women throughout New Zealand, Australia, and the United Kingdom. I began these events after doing my women's healthy aging studies. As I spoke to women aged between 50 and 60 years and explored their experience of aging through the menopause transition, what I learned astounded me. Many spoke of a variety of problems, from joint pain to poor sleep to uncontrolled weight gain, despite dieting and exercising, and a feeling that they were becoming old before their time. The intriguing issue was that I felt the same way too. At the time, I wasn't sleeping, my sore joints were preventing me from enjoying the exercise I love to do, my cholesterol was increasing, I felt depressed, and the weight was stacking on, even though I hadn't changed what I was doing with my exercise or food. But here's the thing. None of the women on my studies positioned their changing health in their menopause transition, nor in the changes that occur around the body as women age. After all, this is what menopause is heralding in. It's the biological gateway to the next phase of our lives, our post-reproductive years. That's when I began to tackle our menopause symptoms in the context of all the changes occurring in our body as we biologically age. When I learned that there are women from many cultures around the world who don't experience the same symptoms chaos that women in many Western countries experience, I became curious. I tell you why in this powerful online webinar. This is the information I want to share with you in my 2-hour masterclass. And yes, you can pause me anytime and you have online access for 3 months. My doctoral studies on women's health and aging took me on the same learning journey that I want to take you on during the masterclass. I have some powerful lifestyle solutions in there for you too. Before you start though, why don't you do my menopause symptoms quiz? Your result will give you some context from which to listen to the masterclass, especially if you like some of the women on my studies who didn't link some of their symptoms to their changing hormonal environment in menopause. My name is Dr. Wendy Sweet. I'm a women's healthy aging researcher and educator from New Zealand and founder of MyMT Transformation. I've recorded my seminar into an online format for you, so will you join me? I love it when women coming out of my live events say, wow, that makes so much sense. So I hope you'll say this too.